Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make cute woolen flower using two colors of wool and scale. To begin, wrap the first color of wool on the scale for 15 times. Then tie to secure. Next, wrap the second color of wool at the left side of the first one already on the scale. Wrap around for 15 times. Then move to the right side and then wrap around 15 times. Wrap smoothly. Attach needle at the extension of the wool and use that to sew both sides of the woolen design already on the scale. At this point, pull the woolen design out from the scale. Then make the little pieces 6 and join them together to make cute woolen flower. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video for more. When you get to this point, attach a medium-sized bead at the middle of the flower to make it beautiful and seamless. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you all in my next one.